This is a quick walkthrough of the demo data for the demo portal of Document Capture version 4.6 using eDocuments. I have ordered a Danish version of Document Capture, but it is also present in the Norwegian edition. The file scenarios handled are the same in the Norwegian and the Danish version. First of all, I import the files. There are 4 for import, and they are imported from a file folder on the demo portal. Next step is to edit the journal to open the document journal of eDocuments. We have 4 files. The first file is sent from Continia software. The error log indicates that this vendor is unknown. The VAT number is unknown, so I will set this up now. During a demonstration, please make notice that a standard scan of the full vendor list will scan for the VAT number from the vendor list, and if found, it will create a vendor partner card matching this exact vendor. If not, you need to add it manually, like I do here. And back to the journal. Reload the document, and now it has been attached to vendor 10,000. First check, name of vendor compared to the sender name does not match. I will go to the document card, and once and for all I will teach eDocument that this name indifference is accepted, so this error will not occur in the future. The second error. Number 2 is not a purchase order number. The reason for this is that standard setup is that we will match against an existing purchase order. We have this here, and purchase order number 2 does not exist on vendor 10,000. I will override this for this exact document for a purchase invoice, and the error is now eliminated. Next time I will receive an invoice for vendor 10,000, it will try to match with the purchase order again. This now leaves a checkmark in the OK section of the document journal, and by using the register all function, it will register all the documents that does not need attention. The next document is matching a purchase order, but again the purchase order number is incorrect. In this case we do want to match with a purchase order. We just need to tell the system which purchase order to use. I'll select 10.05, and after confirmation, eDocuments will validate all order lines with lines from the purchase order and set them. The other file is intended to update the same purchase order. That is not a problem. But in this case the problem is that eDocuments does not know which account to allocate this invoice line to. The reason for this is the vendor item number. It does not match the vendor item number listings that we have in our item catalog, and does not match any values in the item cross reference lists. But now that I have the right purchase order, I can do a lookup of the purchase order and see that I have printer papers. I'll select that line and it will automatically choose the old number and item from the purchase order. And now this document is ready to be registered. Once registered, the file is opened as a new purchase invoice. The quick view is still here and it's ready to be set for approval. And the list is empty. So to complete the demo, we want to follow these 4 files through the approval process as if they had come from document capture. All 4 files present. We'll see that it is being styled. You can see the invoice lines. We can approve it. And the file that came with an embedded TIFF file that has been extracted and put into the document capture drag and drop file box and attached to the approval entry and later on as the approved purchase invoice. All documents approved. 3 of them need secondary approval due to the approval amount limits. And they can now be posted. When we receive documents with documents, we are creating purchase receipt lines, meaning that we do not close the purchase order automatically. But document capture can help us clean up this, delete all the invoiced purchase orders. Final step, on the posted purchase invoices, we can go to the navigation page and we have our eDocuments reference here that leads us back to eDocuments. And if we had an embedded files, it will look the same, only the extracted files in the drag and drop is a document capture file reference here.